Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I created this beautiful galaxy look. If you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. And for more videos, please press the bell icon so you get notified every time I put a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So first we're gonna start off by using this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Primer. So I'm just gonna put it right here. Just gonna put it on my nose. So for foundation, I'm gonna be using this Morphe foundation and I'm in the shade F230. And the brush I'm gonna be using, it's by Morphe, it's M44. I have my foundation on, and for the concealer, I'm gonna be using this Too Faced concealer, and it's in the shade Cool Medium, and I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. It's in the shade Medium Peach. I'm gonna mix them up together. Okay, so for the contour, I'm gonna be using this Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna use this brush. I got it off from TJ Maxx. Okay, the blush we're gonna use now is by Wet n Wild, and the name of the blush is Mellow Wine. I'm gonna be using this brush. I don't know the name of the brush, so I'm just gonna take this blush, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna go like. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the highlighter. I'm using this palette. It's by Beauty Treats. It's the Sunrise Glow Getter. So now we're gonna move on to the brows. I'm gonna be using the LA Colors Browy Wowy pencil, I guess that's what it says. So this has this pulley on one side, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna be using this Cosmic Dream eyeshadow palette, and it looks something like this. See how pretty the colors are. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off by using this shade right here. It's called Brunette. I'm gonna take this brush. This is an old brush from Wet n Wild. So I'm just gonna take this shade and I'm just gonna start putting on half of my crease right here. I'm not gonna go all the way in, I'm just gonna put on the half of my crease, like right here. The next shade I'm gonna use is, it's gonna be this one right here. It's Line of Saturn. I'm just gonna take a small blending brush. It's from Kala. I got it off from TJ Maxx, I think. I don't remember exactly. I'm just gonna put it right here. Wait, let me get some more. I'm gonna put it right here. gonna take this clean brush. I'm just gonna blend in the edges. I'm just gonna blend. Okay, so the next I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the same concealer I used for my eyes. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm just gonna cut the crease with this concealer. I'm gonna put it on my hand right here, and I'm gonna be taking a flat, it looks something like this. I'm gonna be using this brush right here. Okay, so next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this shade right here. It's this blue shade right here. It's called Cosmic. I'm just gonna take this shade and I'm just gonna put it on the corner right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so I got these on the outer corners, and the next shade I'm gonna use is, it's this one right here. This one. It's called Ving. I'm just gonna put this right next to the blue shade. And the last shade that I'm going to use is, it's going to be this one right here. It's this one. It's called Galaxy. I'm just going to put that right next to these two colors. I'm just going to take this. I'm going to put it right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's this glittery shade. It's called Aquarius. I'm just gonna take a flat brush. So this is what it looks like. I did my eyeliner and my on waterline. I put the same eyeshadow that I used on my crease. So I just put it underneath my eyes and I applied some the glitter that I used on my the shade that I used right here. I put it in the inner corner. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on some lashes and then I'll show you guys the final look. Okay, so I have my lashes on. So the next we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to the lips. I'm just gonna use this pencil. It's from LA Colors. Shade is, I think, Natural. That's what it says. It's like a brown pencil. So I'm just gonna make my lips, underline my lips with that. And go like this. Okay, so the lipstick that I'm gonna use is, it's gonna be this one. It's from Stila and it's in the shade Speedway. I'm just gonna take this lipstick